Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to create AWS S3 bucket and deploy your own files into an cloud which provides you an unlimited storage where you can deploy any of your files, images, videos or any other files into an S3 bucket which is absolutely free, which is provided by AWS. Let's jump into it. Here I already created my AWS account. Here I'm logging as a root user with the registered email and clicking on next. Here it will ask me for entering the captcha. Here I am entering the captcha, which is the text which is shown above. Enter the small and capital as it is and click on submit. And here in the next step it will ask me for the password. Enter the password which is already registered while creating the AWS account. Here I am entering my password. It will take me to an AWS console. It is my profile. Here in the top left corner, you can see the services. These are all the services which is provided by AWS. Here I am clicking on S3 under the storage option. S3 means a simple storage service. We can store the n number of files in an S3 bucket. Here, this is the S3 bucket I am going to create now. Click on a create bucket option. Now it will take me to another page. Enter the bucket name. Here I am entering the bucket name as new bucket. You can enter any of your own name, and I will move to the next step. Here I am blocking all the public access, and now I am going to click on create bucket option. Now it's shown an error message has the bucket name already given, so the bucket name must be unique. So I'm going to give a bucket name as a unique name. Oh, it's also already registered, and the name which I'm going to give is new bucket 197. And click on create bucket. It will take few minutes to create a bucket. And to wait for a few minutes. Now you can see that the bucket is created successfully. You can see these are the list of bucket. Click on the bucket's name and click on the upload option. Here in this, by clicking on this upload option, it will take me to another page. Here you click on this add files option. Here you can select any of the files which you want to upload in the bucket. Here I am taking one file, that is my logo, and you can dump any of the files, that is you can deploy n number of files into the single bucket and click on upload. It will take few minutes to upload, and now you can see that uploaded successfully. And here you can go for clicking on that bucket name. You can get n number of details like the properties of the bucket, like AWS region, last modification, size of the file and type of the files, URL of the file. Now you copy that URL of the file and go to your crown and place that URL. Now you can see that some access is denied because I gave an public access as a block. You can see this error message if you move that. To solve this, I'm going back to a console and clicking on the permission, where you can see that the edit option for a block public access, where I'm going to uncheck the block all the public access option. And now click on save changes option, and here it will ask to confirm. Enter the text as a confirm and click on the confirm button, and it shows that the public access is successfully uploaded. And here you can wait for a few minutes, and here you can see that the objects can be accessed publicly. And move back and click on that action option, where you can see list of the actions which can be performed on a single file or a single bucket. Here I'm going to select make public option because my file has to be accessed by the public users also, and clicking on make public. Here you can see that the file is can be accessed publicly also. It's successfully uploaded for public users. Now Wait for a few seconds, it will take some time to load. Here you can click on that file name which you has already dumped into the bucket. Here this is the bucket, and this in the new bucket 197. Here this is the file which I have already dumped. This is the file, and these are the properties of that particular file. Now I'm going to copy that S3 URL, so that and copy that URL and paste it in the Chrome, so that one can easily access that file which has already uploaded. Now you can share your links to any of your friends. If you like my video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit on a bell icon for future videos. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.